Good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this November the 16th, 2013. Clouds a little murky out there today across eastern North Carolina. Got a little bit of sunshine through the late afternoon hours, and that warmed us up nicely. But we are setting up for a dense fog type of night across the east, and then we're talking about rain chances, and what are we looking for after that? We'll talk about that here in the full forecast update. Here's a look at the high temperatures today across the east. Most areas topping out in the middle to upper 60s as expected, but coastal areas who saw a little bit more sunshine today got into the low and mid 70s. See the temperature contrast from Greenville down to Washington, just about a 25-mile difference, and you got 5 degrees there between Greenville and Washington. 74 at New Bern as well as Morehead City. 71 was the high temperature today at Swan Quarter. We're down into the 50s and 60s at this point. You can definitely tell where the warmer air is placed and the more moisture-rich air is in place at this point. It's 52 degrees in Ahoskie, contrasted to 61 at Morehead City. Looking at dew point temperatures, most of them are into the low 50s as well, and some low 60s as you head closer to the coastline. And with that, also calm winds for the most part. We are setting ourselves up for a nasty night when it comes to fog, already down to 5 miles of visibility at Greenville. Only a quarter of a mile visibility up at Rocky Mountain Wilson. 10 miles at New Bern, 5 miles at Kenansville, and it's only going to continue to deteriorate from there, and we're expecting some decent fog as we head through the overnight hours tonight. Most areas will drop into the low to mid 50s tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies otherwise, and like I said, dense fog looking likely, especially as we head towards the overnight hours. But past that, we're going to be talking about rain chances as we head towards Sunday night and into Monday morning, and also some cooler air moving into the region as we head towards your day on Tuesday and possibly into Wednesday as well. But most areas will be warming up as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a look at satellite and radar. We've had clouds across the east today. You see a little bit of clearing. Most of that is because it's low cloud coverage, and the infrared satellite does not pick up very well with low cloud coverage at night. So that's the reason why most of the clouds are basically gone after, say, about 5 o'clock as we're losing the daylight. But there are still some clouds out there this evening. As far as the precision forecast model is concerned, we'll take you through the overnight hours. Most areas will stay with clouds and also that fog, and visibilities could be below 1/2 mile tonight. As we head into tomorrow, a couple peaks of sunshine here and there. Showers start to increase as we head towards the later evening hours. I think most of the rain holds off until after midnight tomorrow. A big storm system back off to the west comes in here as we head towards Sunday into Monday. Severe weather likely across the Rust Belt, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, as well as Ohio going into tomorrow. They're likely going to have a lot of damaging winds through that region. Here's a look at the long-range precision forecast model. Frontal boundary approaches us from the west as we head through the afternoon hours. You see just a couple of showers and just enough clearing maybe to get a little bit of filtered sunshine through the late afternoon hours, but most of the day is going to be plagued by clouds. But it's still quite warm out there. As we go into the evening hours, you see the frontal boundary still back across the mountains, back towards, say, Knoxville, Tennessee. Is where most of the rain shower activity should be. A couple of showers here, but I think the better rain chances come in early on Monday morning, and we could see a couple of rumbles of thunder. By 10 o'clock, most of the rain showers offshore, and the clouds go along with it. We clear out as high pressure builds in. As that scoots off to the east, by Wednesday we start to get a little return flow and clouds building back in by the time we head towards Wednesday afternoon. So look at our 7-day forecast. 20% chance for rain mainly through the afternoon hours of Sunday. Monday we are talking about a good chance for rain, high to the low 70s. And then by Tuesday, with that frontal boundary pushing offshore, clearing air and drier air, and also cooler air will be into the lower 50s. We'll go to near freezing for Tuesday night into Wednesday. Clouds building in once again by Wednesday afternoon. We should only top out in the middle to upper 50s. Lower 60s by Thursday, same type of scenario. And those 10% chances for rain will be mainly for coastal areas east of Highway 17. Friday, a little murky there as far as the forecast is concerned because the modeling is still a little divisive of where this next frontal boundary is going to be on Friday into Saturday. We're going to hold off on the rain chances until Saturday for the time being. I think right now we're kind of going to lean towards late Friday into Saturday. High temperatures on Saturday will only top out near 60 degrees. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. Stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here will be by tomorrow afternoon. Have a great evening, have a great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.